about to start a guided journey through your course at UAL. There are different aspects to your teaching and learning which help you move further in your studies and help you grow. Your lectures, workshops, seminars, studio time are the important key elements fundamental to your journey. There are many other key components of your course which help you move along the way. These includes recording of the online sessions, access to library resources, archives and many other study materials. They also include the connections you make with the people in the creative industries. This work might take place offline, in college or online. It might be something that is live or something that you are doing in your own time. Your mentors are there to guide and support you, but what you learn and where it will take you is in your hands too. You are in charge of your direction. It all depends how you engage with your course and the type of work you put in. There are so many opportunities for learning and developing your creative practices at UAL. The art is in seeing the opportunities and bringing them together in a way that it will lead to an exciting and rewarding journey.